What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I figured I would just hop on here and show you these golden warm, get the name right, kitchen cabinet handles, zinc mushroom, basically cabinet handles. And been doing this big renovation project, and I've got one more to put on here, but I figured I would make a video that I would have wanted to see before getting these. So it does come with 2 screws, and each little package has a handle and the 2 screws. This one's 1 inch and the other one's 1.57 inches. Here's a close look at how they look. They're absolutely stunning. My favorite thing about it is actually this base, how it goes out. I think it's really satisfying. And I like that it's a wider base, so it covers more of the cabinet for imperfections and just for sturdiness. I got a 25 pack, and the one thing that didn't go well is I have 2 of the handles so far. Just had like minor imperfections, but if you're really picky and wanting this like absolutely perfect, like this one had this scratch on it. So there's that ever so slight small scratch on there. It could have happened in transportation. Out of the 25 pack, I only had an issue with 2 that I didn't want to use, and I think you should always buy a few more than you actually need. Everything else has been really smooth. And then I guess there was one other issue. One of them didn't come with the 1 inch screw, and I'm only using the 1 inch screws. So I was able to use one from one of the other handles that I didn't like. They do have like a brushed look, which does go in like a certain direction. So if you're OCD like me, you'll get all the brush strokes, you know, all horizontal or all of them vertical and staying consistent. So hopefully this helps. Catch you on the next one.